Check out this 2006 BMW 6 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful
Wow.
8-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes rear-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels lend a distinctive
Wow.
appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power convertible roof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable
Wow.
features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door
Wow.
locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your
Wow.
peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side
Wow.
airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the
Wow.
driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.